Life's fucked up, what can you do? I got a dog that doesn't bark, got a car that doesn't start. I'm so poor, I'm at Walmart. Yeah, got about 50 things on my mind. Got my girl asking me where my fine. I say it all the time. Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. I remember when this shit used to exist. TikTok, Xbox, PlayStation, GTA 6 in the making. Life's fucked up, what can you do?
Wall Street.
Losing everything that I do.
I'm used to losing everything. Wall Street Pete sick dough and crypto. This morning, got my wisdom teeth pulled, and guess what? Nothing can stop Wall Street Pete. I'm miserable. It's okay, but nothing is going to stop a video. I think it's very important when we talk about a specific price. Yeah, it's going to be a funny day. Apologize. We talk about a specific price. You hit the like, hit the subscribe. Thank you so much for your support, everyone who does continue to watch. 63,000, we thought maybe get a nice little pump, and then maybe a little bit over about 64, then a little resistance coming down. But it seems like the FOMO is real as steel. So hit that like, hit the subscribe. This is why you hit that like and you are a subscriber, because we keep you up to date as much as we can. And I think it's very important not just to do videos, but when it reaches to a specific price index point, we're not going to say exactly as predicted unless we know what's going on. So here I am right now looking at the cryptocurrency long versus shorts. And for the first time, we're emulating almost a mirror image. Very bullish, very bearish. Excuse me. It's tough to talk this afternoon, this evening. Excuse me, wherever you may be. But we are bearish at 18%. We are also bullish at 18%. If you can see right here, 36% is neutral. Right now, a lot of people are waiting for the crypto price to tell them what it's doing before they make a move, before they lose money, before they make a mistake. Very understood from here. So we're going to talk about that sort of thing right now. I do apologize. Like I said, a little messed up with the mouth here. But if it wasn't for the Hash Ninjas wasn't for the Hash Ninjas right now, I would not be able to get through this. Thank you so much. This is brought to you by Hash Ninja. I thought it'd be a little funny. Total crypto market cap right now, 2.37, almost 2.4. Now, you can see what's happening here. We're getting this inverted head. So what I expect exactly to happen, and would you be surprised if I were to predict exactly what's going to go on from here? Nah, you probably wouldn't unless you're new in the channel. So Wall Street Pete is telling you exactly what I believe is going to happen. I'm very confident this is what we're looking at. We're going to look at a peak all the way to about 67,500, maybe 67K. What's going to happen now is we will get a retest back down, support. What happens all the time, ladies and gentlemen, when the price goes up, it does not go parabolic. It does go up and down in high volatile waves. You can see how we did it here. Now you can see here on the 4-hourly. Let's get to the daily, maybe give you a better understanding and how I can see a daily chart forming. Look at this big wick to the upside. And I told you, who else tells you when a reversal is coming? We put in the title, we tell you, and hey, that bullish divergence was on point. So I do thank you very much. I thought we'd get some resistance here on the daily. We are not. You can see how strong this wick is, and it's going parabolic-like. So I do expect the 67,000 area. Once we get that 67,000, we will start coming back down. People will be wondering, are we back in the bull or not? Of course. Let's see if we're live and we have the mic up. We do. Okay. So what I'm expecting is a little bit of a comeback down here from about 63. That'll build support, flipping old resistance into support. And I think we'll be okay from there. So we'll see what happens. We have to obviously break 74,000. Once we do that, then it will be all the way to the races to 89,000, 90,000 cryptocurrency and beyond. So you can see here, in this range, we've talked about in my last video a few days ago, this box expected to break above and beyond, and we'd be doing something very similar to the same sort of move here. Building support, boring sideways action above in this range, and eventually to the upside. So that's what's happening right now. My name is Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto, and we have a few followers in. Hugh, would anybody like to hear anything about a cryptocurrency? I have had Lyric many times, and I'm going to answer his right now. Lyric is a good follower of mine. He's been with me for a very long time through the years, and he wants to know, well, I'm invested in Crow. I'm invested in Kronos. Crypto.com. It is the place where they have the Crypto.com logo up at the Los Angeles Clippers, Los Angeles Lakers. This is a very, very known place. And you can see here right about roughly 12 cents. So if I was invested right now, and a lot of you are getting sick and tired of these crypto assets, hit the like if you've yet to do so. I'd appreciate it. Comment if you'd also like to do a cryptocurrency. We're going to do one cryptocurrency of someone's choosing. Right now is the time. It's alive. And Hugh, I'm sure you're watching, Hugo. If you would like to chat, or whoever else would like to chat, this is the time. We're going to go over that right after Crow. I believe Crypto.com and Kronos is going to be trading somewhere here around 12 cents. Let's be real as steel. You can see this moment we have all the way from March, as this has been old support for Crypto.com Kronos. We're going to wait for a cup and handle coming in. You're going to most likely get that cup and handle, come back down, test about 10.5, and then we might be back up to the races and breaking through this, giving us a price all the way to closely to between 15 and 14 cents. This is going to be a major, major part where we will find out, do we keep going up? Or are we going to come down and continue to correct this? As you can see, this is the trend. I want people to understand that on a 4-hourly, even for Kronos, you can see the trend each time. And I got to get rid of all this garbage so you can really see it. Technical analysis is amazing because you can see here, every single time we are in this pivotal range, we get resistance. Every time in this particular pattern, we get major resistance. So why would that decide to change now? Well, that's what we're waiting for. We're waiting for the trend change. So Kronos right now, once this breaks above, and you can see the candle, if it does happen, it becomes a cup and handle. This will be my confirmation that this downtrend is over, and that's how I find my reversals sometimes. There's many, many different ways, but this is one of the most exciting ways. You can see here, double bottom right here. We do find 7 cents to be a very major support level. So that could be the double bottom here, lifting back off. What happens from that point in time? Well, the top of this wick will take you all the way to almost 18.5 cents, and that's where Kronos, well, expect to get a double top, and I would not expect to go much higher than that, depending on what Bitcoin would be doing. Okay, so let's get into Bonk. It's been a long time since I looked at Bonk. Bonk market cap here. Let's see if we can get a better Bonk up. We'll do perpetual contracts, see if we can go use MEX, even though MEX is out of the U.S. area. I used to use it. That's why I'm trying to continue, and I don't think I have it. All right, no big deal. All right, so Bonk is not here for that one. I'll do Coinbase just for fun. We know that we've had support here around this range, so we'll talk about it. Lots to talk about here. You can see what's going on even here. So now what's going on, inverted head and shoulders pattern. This could be very well off to the races of what I see. I'm going to get rid of a lot of this crap. And for Hugo, you're watching. I do appreciate you very much. A lot of people are coming home from work. A lot of people probably just relaxing. It is the evening. It's close to dinner time. And, well, I screwed this up already. This is the left shoulder right here. What I see coming in, you got your inverted head, right? The most lowest price, the bottom price here. And, well, we could be getting a right shoulder similar to this right now. And this is very exciting because what I expect here from Bonk is the 3,600 level. Now, I know I've talked about this before, and it's been a really, really long time since we've even come up or close to this price. Nice to have you in the super chat, Abe. Mr. Adam, thank you so much for the praises. We're talking about an inverted head and shoulders pattern here. We still have room, and you can tell right here from this particular chart, we got Bonk, we talked about Crow.com, Kronos, and from the right shoulder here, if you are paying close attention, we have a 90% rise. 90% rise on your money coming. Nothing is guaranteed, but you can see here from this chart, all the way from the history dating back to December of 2023, this seems to be a very, very strong resistance level. So these are some of the things we're talking about. My name is Wall Street Pete. I want to keep it very short. I hope you all have a fantastic evening. And please hit the like button, comment, let me know what cryptocurrency, what altcoin would you like Wall Street Pete to break down next. We'll do it for you. I try to do quick 10-minute videos. Today I'm in a little bit of pain. We're fighting, but we are here for you. You can see parabolic moves, big wicks coming in. Each candle represents one 4-hourly candle. And you can see right now, currently, we are trying to surpass even this specific resistance area. So we'll keep close. We'll keep attention. Crypto.com. Somebody was asking me, Lyric, that's right. He wanted to know what the price could be. Could it come back to a $2, $3 range? It's really difficult to find that. We know that 98 cents was a high. just like Bonk, you can see here there was a high, and we're trying to break above these areas. The top here is 4,000, and I'll tell you right now, it's going to take a lot. It's probably take to October before Bonk would see that price. And let me correlate back to Crow, because I do feel bad that I did not get to answer that question. You can see how this is a move. And let's get back real quick just to get to crypto.com, so I want people to understand and see, even since Coinbase, it might not. Oh, it does have it. Okay, it has history. Up to about $1.98. We talked about this. That is the all-time high. And yeah, it's very, very possible. And let's break this down. I want people to see this really quick. It's always possible for cryptocurrency to come back in a cup and handle shaped form. I would most likely say 50 cents is more likely to see in this bull run of 2024 for Coronos. So I would have to say, if I were to have a gun to my head, I would say that 49 cents, 50 cents is very likely for Coronos to come back. But after that would happen, you would see a humongous cup and handle. We would get a huge retracement, and then you would be questioning again, is this the all-time high? Or what the hell is even happening? So my name is Wall Street Pete, Signo and Crypto. We have lots and lots to go before we even get to this. But you can see what's happening. Long, boring, sideways action every time. I have cryptocurrency that's fine. Long, boring, sideways action that has some history in itself. You best believe that this will have its day. So a lot of people don't realize you'll sell your bags. And right after you do that, well, this long, boring, sideways action will get bought up. And I'll tell you right now, crypto.com hanging from 2 NBA major teams in America. I would bet my ass that this thing one day is going to wake up. And it wouldn't surprise me if we came all the way to a high of 49 cents, 50 cents in October. My name is Wall Street Pete, Signo and Crypto. I appreciate your, everybody's, what's the word? I just got into a funk here. I appreciate everyone's participation. That's what I meant to say. Thank you so much for everyone who always hits the like button, everyone who always comments. It seems to be the same person. And we could not get through this channel. We cannot be where we are today without you. Yes, I have a lot of blood in my mouth. Wisdom teeth were pulled once again. Pretty miserable right now. I'm actually surprised I'm able to do a video just under 10 hours from getting them pulled. I did it awake, if anybody was wondering. Yeah, I don't like going to sleep. My doctor's name, his name was Dr. Diddy. Would you have done laughing gas? I'm just curious. Would you have taken laughing gas from Mr. Dr. Diddy? I didn't want to go under with Dr. Diddy today. It's just a joke, but it was really his name. My name is Wall Street Pete, Signo Crypto. We used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange, and now we just come to you live with a video talking about cryptocurrency, breaking down events. I would love to do a more detailed, in-depth video this evening. Was not able to. We're in a little bit of some pain, but we will be back, and expect Bonk, expect Chronos, expect Bitcoin, all these cryptocurrencies to really strive in October. If you think about it, we're already halfway through July. So July, we got August here, September, and October. So, I mean, it comes really quick. So everyone have a fantastic week. I hope that I can heal quickly so I can continue to do videos every morning, every night, any time that it feels necessary. And most importantly, hit that like button. I appreciate you guys very much. Have a fantastic evening. Thank you.